In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down menu in ClickUp. To get started, log into ClickUp and open the workspace where you want this drop-down menu to live. This is important because custom fields are added within a specific location, so you'll want to make sure you're working in the correct workspace before making any changes. Once you're in, navigate to the space, folder or list where you want to add the drop-down field. In most cases, you'll be adding it directly inside a list, since that's where tasks and task information are usually managed. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place, especially if your workspace contains multiple projects or teams. Next, open the list and click the plus icon to add a new field. From the available options, choose Custom Field. Custom fields are useful when you want to track information that goes beyond ClickUp's default task details. And the drop-down field is especially helpful when you want users to choose from a fixed set of options instead of typing freely. After that, select drop-down as the custom field type. This tells ClickUp that the field should display a menu of preset choices. Drop-downs are great for keeping your data organized and consistent, which makes filtering, sorting, and reporting much easier later on. Now give your drop-down field a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might call it department, category, or project type. Choose a name that reflects exactly what users will be selecting, so the field is easy to understand at a glance. Then add the options you want people to choose from. For example, you could enter marketing, sales, design, and development. Try to keep your option names simple and distinct so there's no confusion when someone uses the field. The goal is to make selection quick and accurate. When your options are ready, click Create or Save to add the drop-down custom field to your list. At this point, the field becomes available for tasks in that location. To use it, open any task in the list and locate the new drop-down field. Click the field, then select one of the available options from the drop-down menu. This is how team members can quickly classify or organize tasks using the choices you set up. And that's all it takes to add a drop-down menu in ClickUp. Once it's in place, it can make your task management more structured and much easier to maintain. Thanks for watching.